Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Anum AI. I am Dr. Anum, a PhD scholar and computer science specialist. On this channel, we decode the complex world of artificial intelligence and explore how technology is reshaping our future. Let's dive into today's video. The World Health Organization records breast cancer as the most frequently diagnosed cancer in women globally, with cases rising every year. Yet, when the disease is identified and treated in its earliest stages, the survival rate exceeds 90%. The difficulty lies in the physical nature of medical imaging. In standard screenings, dense breast tissue and inherent image noise actively obscure the exact warning signs doctors are looking for, particularly tiny calcium deposits known as microcalcifications. Identifying these microscopic anomalies manually is an intense, time-consuming process. Radiologists must parse through grainy textures and complex tissues, creating environments where human error or visual fatigue can easily lead to missed early-stage tumors. Surviving breast cancer is an engineering problem. To improve patient outcomes, we have to find a reliable, automated way to consistently locate high-intensity microscopic visual anomalies before those cells have a chance to metastasize. Currently, the standard in medical artificial intelligence relies heavily on deep learning. These modern models excel at capturing high-level semantics, recognizing the broad overall shapes and contextual boundaries of a mass. But deep learning has a significant vulnerability. It demands massive computational resources, and in the process of mapping the large-scale context, it frequently glosses over the fine microscopic textures hidden within the image. Before deep learning, researchers relied on traditional handcrafted algorithms. Tools like Gabor filters use precise mathematical equations to perfectly map spatial frequencies, capturing those exact subtle edges and internal textures. The weakness of the traditional method is the inverse of deep learning. It isolates the microscopic details perfectly, but it lacks the contextual big picture understanding to know what those details mean in relation to the surrounding tissue. Current diagnostic tools force a choice between seeing the forest or seeing the trees. A model either maps the broad tumor shape or the fine internal texture, creating an analytical blind spot where early-stage malignancies can quietly hide. A novel framework called HyFusion-X solves this exact problem by refusing to choose. It runs both deep learning and traditional mathematical extraction methodologies simultaneously. The process begins with a robust pre-processing pipeline. The framework applies contrast enhancement techniques known as CLAHE and HAR wavelet transforms, snapping raw, low-contrast medical scans into a sharp, noise-free clarity. Next, it deploys a mathematical segmentation technique called Otsu's multi-thresholding. This cuts away the irrelevant background tissue, perfectly isolating the exact region of interest containing the suspected mass. Now, the parallel dual extraction process begins. In the first stream, deep learning models ResNet 50, Inception 5.3, and MobileNet Vi2 scan the mass to record its high-level semantic shapes and boundaries. Simultaneously, the second stream deploys traditional Gabor and wavelet filters, mapping the low-level spatial frequencies and microscopic edge data. By running these extraction streams in parallel, the framework outputs a mathematically complete, multi-layered representation of the tumor. It captures both the broad shape and the precise internal texture in a single pass. This dual extraction results in a massive cluster of 218,000 raw mathematical features. To process efficiently, the ANOVA F-value filter aggressively strips away redundant information, distilling the data down to a final output of 600 elite discriminative features. This highly concentrated feature vector is then fed into an ensemble of machine learning boosters, specifically XGBoost, AdaBoost, and CatBoost. These three algorithms analyze the concentrated data and collaborate to issue a final definitive classification: benign, malignant, or normal. Distilling hundreds of thousands of raw data points down to 600 essential signals ensures the framework maintains peak accuracy without requiring a supercomputer to execute the diagnosis. The framework's peak diagnostic performance is remarkable. On the public Rodriguez dataset, HyFusion-X correctly classified images with an accuracy rate of 98.67%. That high performance remains remarkably consistent across other major public datasets, scoring 97.06% on InBreast, 97.02% on BUSY, and an even 95.00% on Mini-DDSM. The clinical value of these specific scores is that they span across different imaging technologies. The framework successfully diagnoses both mammogram X-rays and ultrasound scans. Historically, diagnostic AI suffers from a multimodal gap. A model trained specifically to read X-rays will often fail completely when asked to interpret the visual characteristics of sound waves. Because HyFusion-X captures both broad semantic boundaries and deep textural frequencies, its feature set adapts effortlessly. It identifies abnormalities in the dense tissue of an ultrasound just as accurately as it catches microcalcifications in a mammogram. By training machines to combine the broad context of modern neural networks with the microscopic precision of traditional mathematics, doctors are equipped to consistently identify tumors across all imaging types. It directly addresses the blind spots in early detection, ensuring patients get the treatment they need when survival rates are at their absolute highest. I hope you found this video insightful. If you are passionate about AI, healthcare technology, and professional research, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Anum AI and hit the bell icon for more expert insights. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one. Stay curious.